In our Tokelauan culture, traditional dance is a powerful way of expressing identity, storytelling, and community pride. One of the most well-known forms is the fatele. There are many ways the fatele can be performed, but during celebrations, it's common to have two opposing sides. Each group takes turns performing for one another in a spirited display, much like a friendly dance battle. These performances showcase rhythm, creativity, and unity. A variation known as Faiva Fatalis centers around specific themes such as fishing songs or warrior chants. Women also play a vital role in cultural performances, often taking part in songs and dances that reflect traditional female responsibilities like weaving, nurturing, and homemaking, honoring their essential role in the community. Another significant cultural dance is the tafo, which is performed exclusively by men. In this dance, performers use traditional paddles carved from local trees like the canava or the puka. The tafo highlights strength, discipline, and the seafaring heritage of Tokelauan men. Its movements are bold and rhythmic, often mimicking paddling or elements of ocean life, deeply tying the performance to Tokelau's maritime roots. At the end of the day, these dances, whether fatel or tafo, are more than performances. They are living expressions of our history, values, and way of life. Through them, we celebrate who we are and pass on the spirit of Tokelau to the next generation.